Imagine a course that helps you learn while enjoying the excitement of creating your own games, all using just JavaScript. You already have the tools on your computer to create JavaScript, and within this course, I'm going to show you how to use those tools to create some really amazing projects. We're going to be aiming at creating 15 unique JavaScript gaming projects based on HTML5 canvas, all using just JavaScript. So there's no libraries, no tricks, no nothing, plain core JavaScript, which is the fundamental of how to write code and JavaScript. And as well, you're also going to learn how to create games, the logic behind games, and things that you need to take into consideration when you're planning to write and create your own games from scratch, all using JavaScript. Source code is also included, so that gets you started quickly. You can take the source code, try it out for yourself, and get more familiar with what JavaScript is, how it works, and how you can use it in order to create your own games from scratch. This course is taught by a web developer with over 20 years of real-world experience, over 5 years of creating online courses, having created over 350 courses, mainly based around JavaScript and web development. And one of the most asked for topics by my students is how to create games and how to have some fun while learning. So this course is designed to show you how to bring together the various technologies using JavaScript as well as game development in order to produce games. And the best way to learn web development is to try the code, and there's no better way of learning when students are engaged, creating something that they're interested in and they're excited about. This course is all about modern JavaScript, all new content, all unique new games that are going to be unique to this course, built from scratch and ready to help you learn more about JavaScript. It allows students to get engaged, get started with the coding, experience what it is and how it works, building games from scratch, allowing students to, after they complete the starter project, to extend on it, really make it their own, supercharging your portfolio. This course is going to be loaded with content and projects that are just going to be fun to build. Real-world projects using modern JavaScript that are going to allow you to supercharge your portfolio and take your JavaScript development and game development to the next level. This is perfect for your portfolio to build projects. Learn more about JavaScript and how JavaScript can be applied to create amazing JavaScript projects from scratch with no libraries, and create these amazing projects to share with your friends, family, and impress your coworkers. I'm going to walk you through creating your own JavaScript code and providing you code snippets and source code so that you too can try the code out for yourself and learn. So what are you waiting for? Build fun projects, including games, have fun, and learn JavaScript.